What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today all the homies are actually going to be chilling and be working on cars. Kyler is actually at Dallas's house right now, and he actually has something for me. They're actually like JZX arms. They're actually shorter than JZX arms, actually a half an inch shorter. So I'll be putting more camber in the front for the wagon. So at the moment, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I have the Viennas on. The Vishnus are in the rear still. I'm still waiting for my rear tires for the Viennas, but this is how they look. They look super clean, I swear. The fucking mirrors, like, check it out. And my specs are perfect for the car and the tires. Shout out to BC Garage, the homies in Corona. They mounted my brand new tire, and yeah, check the stretch out. It's kind of a little bit too crazy, but the fronts are actually 18 by 10, but the homie from VR actually got it to 10.25, so it's kind of, that's why my calculations for the tire was kind of off, because I ran a 215 35 18 on a 10 and it fit perfectly, and which was the Vishnus that were in the front at first, but these are a little bit wider than actual 10, so yeah. So that is what we're doing. We're actually going to Hoffman's, and then Kyler's car took a shit on him, so we're actually gonna fix that too. His diff is like leaking all over the place, but yeah. Oh yeah, and if you guys watched the last video, put the link up here, of Club Hands, I actually ran into Gus's car. So yeah, he was actually we were drifting, and then he spun out, and then I couldn't stop in time, and boom, I hit him. But this is how it looks right now, if you guys seen the last video. But it's not that bad. I just need a new fender. The bracket right here, I got a new one, and then I need another bracket right here. That's where the actual headlight bracket goes around, and then it hooks onto it, and I need that one. But it doesn't look that bad right now. The headlights are kind of trash, but they'll do. I just need a fender and just that bracket, and the car will look fine again. But other than that, the fix is not that bad. But the Vertex bumper that I had on during the track is actually fucked up. But I can actually fix it, but the bumper's kind of trash already, so probably won't even bother to fix it. But enough of this talk. I'm gonna go pick up Gus, and then we're gonna head to Dallas's. So yeah. So I just got the car jacked up at Hoffman's, and we got the little popper over here, so we don't have to use the hammer. Just gotta take this bowl out and the 214s on the side, and this JZX will come out. These are the arms that Kyler are trading me with cash on top. They're kind of sketch, but they are a half inch shorter than JZX, so we'll see how they go. Whatever you'll do, whatever for Camber, right, guys? But this is kind of sketch. I don't recommend it, but his buddy welded it, so.
Don't recommend what? Shit. Don't recommend buying shit from Kyler.
Hey, are these safe, bro?
Yeah.
You for sure?
Yeah.
We'll fucking find out, right?
JB Wells.
JB Weld. This isn't JB Weld. Tell him what you did to it.
The shortened IS300 arms, the shortened 1.5 inches, so it's like half an inch shorter than JZX.
So this will probably give me what, -3?
Hey, let me show the people something. Focus onto this.
What is that?
Yeah.
This is Joshua fucking up.
Yeah, we were talking about it.
Yeah, I was drifting right there. See? Yeah. No,
I mean, he spun out hard. You can't save that. You literally cannot save that.
Look at that ice, though, y'all.
Okay.
Ooh, shit. All right, let's get this done. Yeah.
Look, if you cut this section,
Is that all tiny? Can't see shit.
what you mean, destroy it? Why not?
All right. Set up a hammer, you know what I'm
You're
saying?
gonna lose the finger.
Damn, this is sketch. Oh! That's so easy, bro.
For real, what the fuck? Cool little tool.
For real.
So, your guys' ball joint, you know how it's separate?
Now you use a 14.
So what are we doing, Josh? Replacing your uppers?
Yeah,
Shortened uppers?
Yeah, it's for even shorter
Our
ones.
ball joint sits through
Nice.
this. And then ball joint. Okay.
Where's that mallet that you brought? The Gus just painted it for me. Put it in the light. Like, you gotta face it up. So we just painted it so it doesn't rust because it's still kind of like, we ran out of paint, but whatever. That's how it's gonna look. I mean, no one even sees it, so let's put that bitch on.
Gotta go back and get the car done real quick.
All right. 2 wagons up in here. Kyler just fitted my wheel.
Drop that bracket right there.
What's his? My baby's out there. Waiting for these to dry.
It will give you more room.
No. I gotta lower the jet.
Careful.
It's not hitting.
So right now the arms don't really fit, so Tyler's grinding them down. So we gotta do some ghetto fab.
It's not ghetto, dude. Ooh, almost there.
What'd you call it?
So like it's like getting stuck, so like one side's going in but the other side's not, so that's why we were like kind of like grinding it down, sanding it down. Just a little bit more.
Let's go. Don't show people this stuff. No, I was kidding.
No, you just gotta show them like,
More grind?
You gotta show them the process.
yeah, you gotta show them the process. So, oh yeah.
You gonna slam this bitch?
Damn, dude, they fit. Bro, that's pretty close.
Bro, it's all about fit.
Is it like a finger gap? Yeah, it's a finger gap. So, Kyler's ghetto sanding.
Ghetto motherfucker. That was A1.
True. It fit. So, hopefully this will give me like what, -3?
Hopefully. Lower.
Well, you said it's half an inch anyways, so I'll have more clearance.
Lower it more.
All right.
Lower it.
Wait, did you put it? You already put it in?
You tighten it.
Okay. The side is actually on, and it gives a little bit more camber. Not as much as I thought, but if I lower the car, it'll definitely get more. But I plan to do that when I get better suspension.
Nah, it's perfect.
And I'm gonna start working on this side right now. I just took the bolt off.
This
And I gotta put this bitch back in. This tool is actually really useful, guys. So if you guys really want it, I really suggest it. Because you can get a wrench right underneath here. It's like a socket, basically. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure it's tight.
That's it.
The spacer got the wheels
And just tighten it. Shit's easy as fuck.
It's a 30 mil.
Super recommended.
Was it inch?
Your wheel's stuck, bro. So what?
Oh, we're
Got it, you got it.
Turn it.
So you put an adapter on because it's rubbing
That looks
super.
gnarly. Look at that.
We're shooting for
Japan.
2020.
Looks like it's got the space, but it's hung up on a stud or something.
It's stuck on something.
The whole
Yeah, 2 sets.
Stop huffing. What are you working on?
Oh, I'm on one. I have one left.
Trying to rewire
Yeah, one
my
left.
gauges because
Show me your new gauge pop. Hoffman got like a more legit one that actually pops in. Mine just sits on the top.
yeah, it's expensive, and I realized he just probably like gets some PVC pipe or something.
And then he uses like the actual stock piece. Yeah, he basically uses that. Probably gets that from like the junkyard and then PVC pipes, glue, Bondo.
Something else.
It's legit though, so at least you have a gauge pod now. And then I traded Hoffman my flat center for a cubby one. So the wagon has a cubby now, right there. So we in business. You got it? Yeah, he needs the adapter because he's rubbing. So you're just gonna get 5 mil?
You think so? I'm probably gonna stack the 2 and then maybe it'll clear.
Yeah, true.
Fucking burn the shit out of my coilover. One spraying.
Is it bad? Let me see.
Not that bad, dude. It's really not that bad.
Bro, that looks like mine.
No, but it was like the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's okay, Flan.
So I just got the left side off. So I want to show you guys the comparison. You guys can see. Oh shit, I don't think you guys can really see. But that is the JZX arm, and this is the stock arm. It's half an inch shorter. So if you guys could do a little comparison, this is a little bit shorter than that side. So yeah, that's how I get like -2, -3 camber probably at most. But yeah, just a little bit more, and then I could lower it so it'll actually have more natural camber. Sides on, and dude, you could tell. I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, you could tell. Yeah, I could go way more lower now. If you look, there's so much clearance.
Oh, you're walking on that on the hammer real quick.
Yeah, go ahead. You could tell. And when it goes in, it'll just see. And thanks, Kyler. But hell yeah, super clean. Yeet. Now I need to go get alignment again. Yeah, I do. And then just to see how much camber too. Cause I lowered this side too so it can match this side. Before this side was way higher by like that much. No, not that much. I exaggerated, probably like that much. Every degree counts if you're Asian. Oh my god. So Hoffman got his gauges in. Looks so much better. It's like one whole piece. Oh, the door's open? I like it because it's like super clean and like it goes with the entire like the whole middle console.
Dude, I just wish I had the thing you have.
What?
I threw them away, the little ones, so I could put it on the side.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. And this is the final fitment for the wagon. Bob Ross, you want to jump on it so I can show them that this motherfucker clears? So Bob Ross is gonna jump on this bitch.
Hey, you have a sleeve if you use it.
Hell yeah. It clears a lot too.
Alright, what we doing, boys?
Tyler's alternator. Cause that shit went to shits.
Cause he said his car shut off on the freeway, bro.
Car shut off on the freeway. Getting an alternator changed.
Tyler's over there.
What you doing down here, Kyler? Seal?
Putting that shit back.
You getting the seal back into the diff?
Hopefully it's not broken. I don't know, dude. And if it is, I'm just gonna use it. Which would hurt my feelings. That's so much time. I mean, at least my car's fancy and it should clear the wheels.
Hey, yeah, man, you looking good. Looking clean.
It does not matter if your car does not move.
That's so pretty when it's sitting.
Too steady, you're right. That's why I want to extend and shorten my arms. So when it sits in my driveway.
Got my boy's new alternator.
Take it off?
Lock it.
Lock it?
About to yank that shit up.
Don't mind.
So the alternator is already in, and we did that without taking out the radiator. So yeet. And then we had to cut the fans right here so we could, if you want to take out the alternator without taking out the radiator.
Pretty simple. New alternator.
New turbo.
Cute. So what do we do today?
Fix this.
What's this?
Look at that shit.
A leaking seal on my diff that I installed yesterday. Yeah, I guess it blew all over my shit. Surprised me. Threw some spacers on my back wheels to go rubbing. My springs. And changed the alternator just in case because my shit shut down like 6 times yesterday on the way up.
Why?
I don't know. These terminals. Jank car. I don't fucking know.
Chain car.
What's good? Hit me up if you want to buy it.
What are you over here doing?
This guy's side skirt.
What?
So my sandal don't even fit under his side skirt, bro. It's fucked.
What is that noise?
Josh, see if you can see him.
Here, you want to check it out? Check it out.
Is it from the front?
Oh, maybe you're low on your training fluids. And so you can tip.
Did you put in more fluid?
Trans, I mean, it's tilted forward, like upside, like downward, so it probably.
Did you put more fluid in?
The dip, yeah. The dip sounds fine, right?
So the dip isn't leaking now?
I don't know.
Not that I see.
Whatever, manual swapping soon, it's fine. Fuck it.
This is Josh's IS300 Wagon. It is his dream car.
He loves his IS300 wagon. Get them angles, bro. What are you doing? Go down the street. I want to see it driving. Baller.
Hey, you want to wash your car off?
It's just gas, huh?
I gotta see this thing drive because I never see it outside the car.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go left, reverse, and then pull back in.
Pull up for me. Got Kyler pulling out too. This is Iceyyyboyz, bro. The original IS300s. Yeah, this is the rep of mine. Oh damn! Damn, that shit does hover, bro. How's it drive? It's good? It doesn't rub, no? That's fine though.
It doesn't sound like a train anymore.
Hey, we should take pics right here. 2 wagons, bro. Damn, that thing is hovering.
Dude, that shit looks so fresh.
Yeah, the left side is. Just keep going, keep going. Dude, it's talking. Damn, son.